trees that come in a variety of shapes and colors, fruits that resemble dragon eggs, and flowers that also display a range of striking colors and intriguing shapes. Magnolias have always been a fascinating subject. I have been doing studies of different species from plant and animal kingdom for a while now, and over the past couple of weeks I painted more than 20 species of magnolias, and I also included some cultivars in my pages of illustrations. I'm doing these studies mainly for visual library development, learning about nature, drawing exercise, and also inspiration for later. Through these recent studies, I deepened my understanding of the magnolia family of plants. Magnolias have played a significant role in culture and symbolism, serving as national flowers or symbols for states and cities in various countries. Their meanings vary across cultures. For instance, in the United States, they symbolize stability, while in China they represent beauty and gentleness. However, magnolias are widely regarded as symbols of enduring connections across cultures. Beyond their symbolic value, magnolias have graced gardens around the world, with many species and cultivars earning the prestigious Royal Horticultural Society's Award of Garden Merit. Their ornamental appeal extends far beyond gardens, as they have been featured prominently in visual arts and used as symbols in literature, film, television, and music. Previously, I had studied the tulip tree, another member of this family, but for these illustrations I focused exclusively on the Magnolia genus. Magnolias are a diverse and ancient genus of flowering plants renowned for their striking beauty and distinctive features. Found in temperate and subtropical regions, these trees and shrubs range in size from modest garden plants to towering giants. Magnolias are best known for their large, fragrant flowers which bloom in a variety of shapes and colors, including whites, pinks, purples, and yellows. Their bloom often appear before the leaves in spring, creating a stunning visual display. The leaves of magnolias are typically broad and glossy, and their cone-like seed pods add an intriguing ornamental element. With a lineage that dates back millions of years, magnolias are considered one of the most primitive flowering plants, and their timeless elegance has made them a favorite in gardens, landscapes, and cultural symbolism worldwide. After completing my magnolia botanical illustrations, I can say that magnolia flowers are a subject I will likely revisit in my future work. They can be inspiration for many things. Their large sculptural flowers and delicate petals can inspire imaginative designs for characters, environments, or even otherworldly flora. The interplay of their vibrant hues, from soft pastels to bold whites and purples, can serve as a palette for creating unique atmospheres. The cultural symbolism of magnolias, ranging from stability and resilience to beauty and gentleness, can influence narratives or themes in visual storytelling. Their intriguing seed pods and dynamic branching structures can inspire architectural motifs or fantastical landscapes. Whether as a direct reference or an abstract muse, magnolias offer endless possibilities for artistic creativity in concept design. Magnolias offer a variety of practical uses that make them an excellent source of inspiration for world-building projects also. Certain species grow to impressive size and are valued as timber trees, and some has applications in construction and carving, while others have been utilized in traditional medicine for centuries. Additionally, the flowers of many magnolia species are edible and hold culinary significance, such as imparting fragrance to rice or tea. These diverse applications, ranging from construction and healing to cuisine, highlight the magnolia's versatility and potential to enrich a fictional world with layers of cultural, economic, and ecological depth. Magnolias can also serve as inspiration for creating unique ecosystems and symbolic elements within a world-building project. Their diverse habitats, from temperate forests to subtropical regions, can inspire biomes teeming with life that rely on these trees as keystone species. The striking appearance of magnolias with their large fragrant blooms and unusual seed pods can influence the creation of mystical or alien flora in a fantasy or science fiction setting. Their historical and cultural symbolism could play a role in shaping the mythology, rituals, or spiritual practices of fictional civilizations. For instance, magnolias might be revered as sacred trees symbolizing peace or beauty, or their blooms could be used as a rare, magical ingredient in alchemy or spellcraft. By incorporating magnolias, a world builder can weave rich, immersive narratives that connect nature to culture, economy, and lore. And I should add, without even a project at hand, just drawing magnolia flowers was a fun activity. Magnolias are a dream subject. Their dramatic forms can inspire everything from delicate botanical illustrations to bold abstract designs. The interplay of light and shadow on their petals create opportunities to explore depth, texture, and contrast in a drawing. Their symmetry and organic curves lend themselves to creative interpretations, whether as realistic renderings or stylized motifs. But magnolias are more than just subjects to draw. They encourage us to observe and connect with nature. By studying their intricate details, we learn to appreciate the subtleties of the natural world, from the delicate veins in a petal to the unique structure of a seed pod. This mindfulness can fuel not only artistic creativity, but also a deeper respect for the environment. In this way, magnolias remind us that inspiration often blooms from the simplest yet most profound sources, like nature itself. Sometimes, when I make so many illustrations of a similar subject, I can get really bored, but I can say magnolias were enchanting and kept me drawing, and I was going to do more of the cultivars, but I stopped myself because I want to learn about different species. But maybe later, when I want to do relaxing illustrations, I will continue creating more of these magnolia illustrations. For now, I have 6 pages of illustrations which I can edit later. Maybe I will turn these into some kind of a book. And these turned out to be some of my favorites, considering all the botanical and zoological illustrations I did lately. So I was quite happy to start my research on magnolias. And I'm also looking forward to learning about new species. So I hope to see you in a new species study.